welcome. I'm just about to record for you a short summary of our Improvers Solo Quick Step practice routine number 6, and this was taught in our live Zoom class on Monday, so that was Monday the 4th of July 22. So if you're in my video library on my website and you want to look at the full class, this was the short routine that we ended up with by the end of that class. I'm going to turn around, make a little start. We have our V-shaped basic going across the room. Remember, everything's adapted for the small dance floor area in our home. Back, side, close, side, forwards, back, side, close, side, forwards. Back lock step, back, step, cross step, one more step back. I will call the timing out in the next time, on the next time round. And then I'm going to do a little chassis to the right, slightly turning, and a small forwards lock into the diagonal right corner. I'm then going to do slow, quick, quick, and a run across. Okay? I'm then going to do a left foot back, a right foot back and pivot. I'm then going to do what would be a man's telemark, or the opposite of a lady's spin turn footwork. So doing it on the left, going in, open, brush, open. And then I am going to do a little crossover, and then I'm going to do some little woodpeckers, pendulums, and some little hopscotch type activity. So I'll come back to that in a minute. Let's look at the timing. V-shaped basic, slow, quick, quick, slow, and slow. Slow, quick, quick, slow, and slow. Back lock step, slow, quick, quick, slow, and slow. And now, right foot, quick, quick, slow. Stay on the balls of the feet. Quick, quick, slow, and lower. Slow, quick, quick. Slow, slow. Slow, slow, and slow. And now down across the slow. Okay? Now, once I've done the down and cross, I just did a few little footwork patterns. Again, this is just practice at home, just to keep the brain going and to work on a little bit of footwork. And I did some woodpeckers, and I did slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, quick, slow, pendulum, quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, quick, slow. And then we just did some little hopscotch practice. So we did coming in and out. So we did in, out to practice. And then we started changing that with the foot in front. Guys, there was no particular amount of those to do. I just said to everyone in the class to add those on and have a little practice, raise the heart rate, do a little bit of cardio, and just have fun with that part. Okay, so let's do the whole way through. I'll call out the timing right until the end. Okay, and slow, quick, quick, slow, and slow. Slow, quick, quick, slow, lock step coming up, slow, quick, quick, slow, and slow. Quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, 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 and slow, 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 quick, quick, 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 slow, quick, 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 quick. There we go, guys. Told you it's going to be a very short one today. Quick step. Improvers Quick Step practice routine number 6, taught on Monday the 4th of July 22. Everything's in the link below if you're watching this on YouTube, and if you're watching it in my video library, you are looking for your Improvers Solo Quick Step playlist for other videos. And I will see you very shortly. Bye.